everybody. Got another tutorial and trick for you today. I got given a request by one of the subscribers to do a certain kind of trick, so here it is. So we get a deck of cards. And you're going to hear my girlfriend's voice on the camera today because this one needs a helper. So I say to my audience, pick a number between 10 and 20.
11.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is 1 plus 1, which makes 2. Pick another number.
18.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Whew. Big number. 8 plus 1 is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We give the cards another shuffle. Pick another number.
14.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is 1, 4, which makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this time we'll let the deck choose. We'll give it a couple of shuffles. We'll take the 9th card down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ace, 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 ace. There you go. So that's the trick. It's known as Obligatory Aces. It's from the Royal Road. If you want to see how it's done, stick with me and I'll cut over the shoulder and teach you how it's done. If you're my friend Patrick, you're not allowed to watch the next bit. Figure it out. Thanks for watching and let's go. Okay, so I got asked to do the 4 ace production with the tutorial. And I found this one in the Royal Road called Obligatory Aces. As you saw, it's quite a cool trick. My spectator, my girlfriend, was completely genuine in the numbers she called out, any between 10 and 20. We've tested it a few times and it's pretty cool, it works. So what's the method? First off then, you need your 4 aces on top and a 9, any 9. Then you need to put 8 cards on top. Now, I had it pre-set up before the video. If you were performing and you were trying to do this as after another trick, and you had set up, you put them there, and then you would do, and throughout this trick, you're going to use a move called the Injog Shuffle. So you can, what the Injog Shuffle is you take a packet, you take 1 card, and then you shuffle off the rest on top. Notice my little finger. As I push there, and tidy, and then shuffle off above the break, I come back to the same on top. This is a move I use a lot. It's called the Injog Shuffle. So again, take about half the deck, 1 card with a slightly over, and always towards you. Shuffle the rest off on top messily. Push forward, pinch your be like a triangle position. From the outside, they can't see it. And then shuffle off above the break and dump on top. You're going to use this throughout the trick. Now you can use this move to add cards to the top. So I'm still at the start. Okay, so before I perform, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Injog Shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Injog Shuffle. And now I'm set. Okay. So again, I've got 4 aces, a 9, and then 8 cards. Doesn't matter what they are. Ignore the fact there's a joker there. Okay, so you could just have it set up with the 4 aces, the 9, and the 8 cards straight out of the box like I did, or that taker get them there. So then you're going to get spectators to call out numbers between 10 and 20. So you start off, you do a shuffle, an in-jog, or any other false shuffle would do, but consistently using the in-jog keeps it looking nice and fair. They pick a number. I don't know, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pick up this pile. 12 is 1 plus 2. So you want 3. 1, 2, 3. What's left in your hand goes on top of the counted off cards, which goes on top of the deck. There's some math behind how this one works. I haven't sat down and figured it out, but it does work. Just remember that rule. They pick a number between 10 and 20. You then get the 2 digits. So in this case, we did 12. 1 plus 2 makes 3. 1, 2, the third card. We shuffle off again. In-Jog Shuffle. Then it's, okay, they pick, you can ask another spectator or the same person another one. They say 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, sorry, 15. My bad. 1 plus 5 makes 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry about that. Take the ones you haven't dealt down. On top, shuffle. Yeah, just that in-jog again. So I'm checking the camera as I do this. They pick another number, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is 1 plus 8, which makes 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take, dump on top, place on top. Say to the spectator you're going to let chance or luck decide our final number. You're going to do your in-jog again. You take the top card, which is your 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, when you're doing the trick, as you saw in the performance, I hadn't shown any of them. I just showed as we were practicing. But you'll have the 4 aces. Isn't that really clever? So as I said, it's called Obligatory Aces. It's in the Royal Road to Card Magic. And it's pretty cool. So thanks to that subscriber for asking for a trick that's a 4 ace production. I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.